We are coming to you live from the absolute subtle art that is procrastination, because I leave for Boston for my cousin's wedding in like, I don't know, 8 hours, meaning like that's your sleeping time. It's 8 p.m. and my flight is at 7 a.m. and I don't have everything ready. So why not do a craft project? And my hair's not done and we're gonna go with it, and we're gonna hope she doesn't see this because she will absolutely kill me. I'm known for my absolute ability to procrastinate like a boss. So I got these shoes from Amazon that are pretty cute. They're okay comfort wise. I'm not gonna tell you they're the most comfortable thing ever, but they're pretty cute, right? And then I also got these, which I thought were super cute. And my sister said they were the ugliest things she'd ever seen. So I don't know. These were from Amazon. I thought they were cute. Comfort wise, okay. They have this like squishy padding in them. But then I was at my parents' house and I realized I had these shoes, which I've had for absolute ever. And she said nude shoes. So these are wedges too, like the others, but they have some damage on them of like a mystery stain that I don't know what that is. And I couldn't get it off. And the more I tried, the more they'd actually like pulled the pleather apart. So I got some paint somewhere because this is a hot mess express. I got some paint. So we're gonna try and see if we can fix this. To cover up this stain, I'm going to take 2 types of acrylic paint that I honestly had laying around, and I'm just going to mix them a bunch of times. And this did use a couple of coats of paint because I did not get the color right. But I honestly found the more I painted over it, the better the color match got, if that makes any sense at all. But I am a huge fan of reduce, reuse, recycle. So I was so proud of myself for being able to save these shoes. And then I was also super proud of myself because at the end of the night, these were absolutely trashed. And I decided to not be a hoarder and throw them away. So it's a double win. But anytime you have a shoe like this, you just add some paint and we'll give it new life. And then here's a super cute picture of me and my date. Look at how cute we are. And then these are these shoes, and they are now living in a dumpster in Boston and didn't come home with me.